Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'll teach you how you can read text files or CSV files into a RDD. So basically I'm running a Spark Scala series in which I'm trying to teach you basic concepts of Spark Scala, and this is the second video of our series, and in this series I will be teaching you guys how you can read text file. So first of all, let us try to create one object of Scala. So I'll go to file, then I'll go to new, then I'll go to Scala object. And in the Scala object, I'll have to pass object name, and object name can be anything that is related to your Spark job. So I am giving it a name read text file and just hit on finish. And as you can see here, object has been created, and I'll write here extends and extends to f so that I do not need to write a main method here. In earlier classes also I have explained app is a helper class in which explanation of main method is there, so I do not need to write here a main method. So guys, first of all, allow me to write a boilerplate code to create a Spark session, and out of that Spark session I'll be using Spark context to read the text file into a Spark RDD. So guys, this is the boilerplate code in which I am trying to create a Spark session, and as you can see here, I haven't imported anything right now, but to import anything in this ID, I'll have to use Control Shift and O. Then I'll have to import this org.apache.spark.sql.spark session. Then as you can see here, things are imported here. And one more thing I'd like to use here, guys, like in earlier classes also, I have used one log label in which I try to set the log to error so that while running the program, only error logs will be there in the output. If any errors are there, then only that will be printed in the output. Otherwise, only the output, desired output basically will be printed. So guys, this is how you can set the log label. So now what I will try to do, I'll try to read a text file. So here data science.txt is there, one text file, and I'll try to read that text file. So first of all, I'll have to create a variable, and variable of type, the variable name is RDD and the type will be RDD, and the type of RDD will be string here because this particular file contains strings. And I can create here Spark Spark context, and now one method is there, text file. The method name is text file, and it takes two parameters. First one is the path of the file, second one is the minimum number of partitions to be created. For now, just ignore this one and let us copy the location of this file. Just go to properties, then we can copy the location of the file here and just paste it here. And if you are using Windows, just you need to use double backward slashes here. So guys, I have used one text file method out of Spark context, which is there in Spark session, but here we are getting one error that like type RDD not found. So we will have to import this from the Spark libraries. So now let us try to print this RDD, the content of this txt file. So how you can do that, you'll have to collect the values from RDD to our local machine. So let me create one variable file is equals to rdd.collect. So this is how you can now print it. So what you can do now, file dot for each, and in for each you can write println. So this is how guys you can print it. So let me right click here and run as Scala application. So guys, as you can see here, there were some errors, but ignore that errors. That is just because we are using Windows. And as you can see here, the content of the file has been printed here. So what I have done basically, I loaded that particular file to a Spark RDD. Then I collected that RDD in a local file, basically variable, not file actually. The variable name is file only. And then I have printed it. If you do not want to use this intermediate file variable, then how you can print that? So basically for that, you will have to use RDD dot collect dot for each. Then in for each, you will have to use println. So this is how you can print the elements. So whenever you want to print the elements of a RDD, you will have to collect that. Collect is the action in Spark, and what it does whenever you are using RDD. So to print them, you will have to bring that particular message to your driver machine, and to bring that in your driver machine, you will have to use collect action. So guys, this is it, how you can read text file to a RDD in Spark. If you have any query, just let me know in the comment section, and in future videos I'll be covering more topics of Spark with Scala. So thank you so much, have a good day. And one more thing I'd like to request, please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want to become a data engineer. I'll be covering each and every topic of Spark with Scala and Python programming language too. So thank you so much, have a good day.